Can we hear you, Roxy?
Yeah.
You're on now, Roxy.
Okay.
Yes, we hear you. If you say anything, we'll say something, Roxy. Can you hear me?
Go ahead, Roxy.
Are you on the Artemis too?
Yeah. We're coming from the other side of the moon.
Going on, we can't really show you, really. It's, cameras in space. I don't know. They don't want you on here.
Hey
Roxy.
guys,
Hey.
Hello.
I'm here. I don't know what my
Wonderful.
camera's doing, but I hope you can hear me.
You hear
That's
you
all right.
perfect-
It looks like a nice eclipse.
Yes. It's you got some good news and some bad news. No, how's everything going?
It's going good. Um, I just wanted to let you know I had a commercial property that I was going to sell, and the closing people said, no, we won't do that. We don't do it. We don't sell property in a trust. And I said, so you're kidding? And they said, no, we won't sell your property because it's in a trust. I said, so you're telling me I can't be with Jesus, and all this. So he said, yeah, basically, you need to use our lawyer. And their lawyer looked at my trust because the property was in it. Well, when he come back, said, no, this trust is not worth the paper it's wrote on. I said, you can kiss my, I don't need you. So what I done was I got with the buyer and I said, we'll just do our own. We don't need the closing there. And he said, I'm fine with that. And he said, if you want to sell it through your trust, I'm fine. He said, because it's, you're with Jesus Christ, and I understand that. Everything's great. And he said, I don't have a problem buying it through the trust. So I sold my property through the trust. So it can be done if you and which I talked to a lawyer here in Little Rock, where I'm at, and he's a trust lawyer. And I said, I just want you to look over this and give me your opinion of this trust. I said, I don't believe you've ever seen one like it before. And he said, oh, I deal with trust on a daily basis. He said, yeah, just email it to me. He said, give me a week. And he said, I'll get back with you on it. And he said, we'll go from there. I said, okay. He said, is your trust registered? I said, no, Arkansas doesn't register a trust. He said, oh, yeah, that's true. He said, I just wanted to see if you knew what you were talking about. And I said, well, I ought to. I'm going to email you the paper. So 2 weeks later, he calls me. And he said, Roxy, he said, I don't know where this came from. He said, but it scares the hell out of me. And I'm a trust lawyer. He said, what you do is you don't have to take it out of your name to sell it. But he said, I recommend everybody taking, their property out of the trust to sell. He said, you can do it either way. I said, I'm not taking it out. He said, okay. He said, but on under number 14 on the trust, I said, yeah. He said, do it that way and you won't have no problems. He said, nobody will ever bother you. You are unsuable. You're untouchable. Nobody can get anything that's in your trust. He said, I would love to keep you as a client. I said, well, I don't need you because I don't need a lawyer. And he said, well, if anybody else is having problems with their trust, send them to me. He said, I will tell them. He said, I'm going to say it again. This trust scares the hell out of me. He said, I won't go up against it. So I thought that would be good for everybody to hear, everybody to know that a trust lawyer told me that. I've been talking to Alan Poe too, about, this and some other stuff. And he's been very, very helpful. I mean, he knows his stuff. And I'm fixing to upgrade all of my courses. And so I can do this. I want to do it more full time.
That's so heartwarming to hear, isn't it? Like they jump over there. with
Yeah.
this trust. You're like, you sign up with, it's a Christian loophole, everyone. Hey, and I
Yeah.
copyright it. You sign up with Jesus Christ, and they're like, hands off, everyone. It's
Yeah.
amazing. It works perfectly. They respect it. And even a lawyer, when pushed, is like, yeah, uh-oh. I love it.
Yeah. But I just wanted to share that with everybody.
Thank you, Roxy.